Oh, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our post. So today we're gonna do T indicator from chemistry of drinks Mel Science. And as you guys know, and this will be our last video of Mel Chemistry, and we are unable to buy it from Mel Science because of the quality. But we'll look forward in the future. Coming back to the experiment. Things needed to conduct these experiments are
sodium carbonate, citric acid, measuring spoon, tea bag. What is it? Disposal cup.
Disposal cup. Three disposal cup.
Okay, beaker.
And a beaker.
Beaker.
And some hot water. Be careful, the hot water is going to be very hot. Okay. Okay. As a safety measures, I'm going to put on my safety glass and the protective gloves. Okay. Don't forget to wear your protective gloves when handling with hot chemicals.
Okay.
Hot substance. No. Yeah. Hot substance. Okay. What is the first step?
Make some black tea.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put the ripple black tea, which we have the tea bag, into the beaker, right?
Yep.
Then
pour hot water under 50 ml.
full hot water.
Make a black tea. What? This is a brown tea?
Yeah, it's okay. Guys, as you guys know, this is now 150 milliliters, okay? Then we are going to wait about 10 minutes.
Sorry, bro. You want to like this?
Why?
The thermosticker was
Oh,
changed.
yeah. Guys, when you see the thermostickers, it starts to change its color from black to yellow because there are so many chemicals. If a substance gets hotter and if it change it into a yellow color or red, thermochromic stickers. Yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
You can type.
Okay, guys. After 10 minutes, as you guys can see, the thermostickers has changed its color back into the black. Okay, black. No, not black. Back into the black. Black. Okay, because it loses the temperature. The beaker loses the temperature. Okay. Now you need to divide the tea equally into 3 cups.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to take this out.
Now.
Then okay, let me do it for you.
Okay.
Equally, huh?
What do you mean?
Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Bro, is it okay, bro?
Okay.
Wow, but you still got some tea. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Let me drink it.
Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay. Then what are you going to do? Then you are going to put citric acid 2 big spoons into the first cup.
Yep.
Well, is it okay? Guys, I'll be right back, guys. Later I just found the paper clip to pop this pen.
Paper clip?
Yeah, paper clip. Okay, now we're going to pour 2 big spoons of citric acid into the first cup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First cup, second cup,
First cup.
Oh, it's called cup.
pour it.
Then the second spoon. Pour it, bro. Okay, then we are going to put sodium carbonate 2 big spoons into the third cup. Now we are going to leave the second cup neutral. Whoa. Did you see that? The color is changing right now. and the first cup color is changed slightly to the ambient color. Okay, then the color of tea changes depending on its acidity. But if my calculation is right, I think this is the acidity, the more acidic one.
Yeah.
Do you wanna drink it?
Huh?
Do you wanna drink it?
Why? I want to die.
Yeah, please drink it. Now I want to test it whether it is acidic or alkaline. Okay.
Okay. This cameraman.
Cameraman, please drink it for us, please. Cameraman, okay, you don't want to drink it. Never mind. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment down below and what will be our next video.
Yeah.
And also share this video and stay tuned for more video, and also subscribe to Evoluper.